Aluminium is, in my opinion, the light metal of choice for the future of the car industry.
The future is here. This is Jaguar's new F-Type, both in a coupe and a convertible roadster. Two cars that presented designers with the same challenges. Jaguar wanted a sleek sports car design that would be both safe and sustainable. The solution? Aluminium.
Our Jaguar Land Rover is iconic brand, and they have been using aluminium for decades in various platforms of the cars that they are building.
Sapa supply a number of extrusions on the car, the most notable being the cant rail extrusion, and that's what we call a hydroform extrusions.
World-leading aluminium extrusion company Sapa makes both the camtrail, a hydroformed extrusion for the coupe, and the rollover hoop, an extrusion for the roadster.
Through the use of aluminium, the car manufacturers, the automotive industry would certainly reduce the weight. It would make their car certainly lighter, hence reducing the CO2 and emissions. But it also enables the OEMs to come up with more innovative solutions in their car architecture.
Sapa's hydroforming process makes it possible for automakers to design and develop more advanced complex components. It provides accurate tolerances and the possibility to design complex structural parts with constantly changing cross-sections.
We can get the maximum package into what is a changing profile as it goes through from the A-pillar into the cant rail, and that gives us maximum strength and the maximum amount of metal in the place where we need it.
When it comes to safety, aluminium is the light metal of choice, as it absorbs more energy than steel per kilogram. In the case of the F-Type, Sapa's specially developed 6082 high-strength alloy is applied to the extrusions in the critical areas of the car, which provide maximum strength. Sapa's cantrail in the coupe and rollover hoop in the roadster help meet and exceed increasingly tough safety legislation around the world.
We just take, for example, the US roof crush test. That's gone from what we call 1.5 times gross vehicle weight to 3 times gross vehicle weight. That means we apply a load 3 times higher than the weight of the car to the roof and cant rail of the car. And the car obviously has to withstand that load. We actually meet and exceed the new US FMVSS roof crush legislation with the new cant rail extrusion.
The success of the F-Type, a safe, sleek and sustainable sports car, has been supported by the long-term relationship between Jaguar Land Rover and Sapa. The two companies have been working closely on several projects over the past 15 years. And Sapa works continuously to make the whole process chain more efficient, thereby creating more total value for its customer.
Being a supplier and being a partner to Jaguar Land Rover, through sitting where we are, it looks very fast and it looks very agile, and we need to be extremely quick in responding and sometimes even more proactive actually in supporting them with solutions. And that's a big responsibility for suppliers like us.
Jaguar Land Rover expects from all of our suppliers a journey of what we would call continuous improvement. We need to make sure that not only do we achieve our weight goals, but we also achieve them in a cost-effective way so that we can proliferate the use of those materials across our range and really across the whole of the automotive sector. We have seen a growth in the use of aluminium from what was really niche market sports cars and premium luxury cars, now into what we would call the mass market premium segment.
We believe that the aluminium is part of the solution in the lightweighting trend in the automotive industry.